Now we are going to learn about another important pipe is slice pipe. Using that, we can create subset of array or string. Here you can see right start to end. That means right always count first element as 0, 0, 1, 2 like that. Here you can see example let item of my array. In that case, size 1 to 3 means we don't display a zeroth element and we display only 1 to the 3 element. Here you can see how slice how slice pipe working. Uh, Here we display to 0 to 4. Then every record will be displayed. Now we'll change to 1 to 4. Then zeroth element will be removed. Here you can see student ID 1 missing. Only start from 2, 2, 3 and 4 is there. Now change to 2. In that case, we remove 2 also. Now this like that we can customize size pipe and we can display uh, a portion of a list row array. Now we are going to learn to create a custom pipe using Angular. Using that, we can create whatever pipe we want and whatever transformation we want. Example, there's no built-in pipe for sentence case. In that case, I am going to create a sentence case pipe. In that case, format is ng uh, ng generate pipe and pipe name. We can shorten ng-gp pipe name. Example ng-gp sentence case. Here how I am going to create uh, a sentence case pipe. Here in GGP sentence case create uh, ts pipe.ts file and spec.ts file also. Actually in this one we are not going to do any unit testing, so spec.ts is not required. In that case we can use script test. And now I will delete this 2 file again, and now we just generate a ts file only. Here using script test uh, scripted test snippet. Here now we can see only that ts file sentence case dot pipe dot ts file is generated. Here you can see it automatically uh, uh, create pipe with all the inheritance and all the dummy method. We can just apply whatever go to those method. Here we change transform method whatever our requirement. First we remove white spaces in the in value. Value can be any string. Using this trim function, we remove the white spaces. And if trim value is length is 0, that means that a string is blank. In that case, we return empty string. Otherwise, we can make first letter capital using character at 0 uppercase. Then remaining one we can make to lowercase. You can say in that case we use size 1 to lowercase. And it returns the string. You can see here output data type is string. When we want to use any custom pipe, first we have to import that custom type to whatever the component we want to apply. Here first we import the sentence case pipe. Then we can use the pipe operator, and then we can just you can see select the sentence case. Then it will that student name will display in the sentence case. That means that first letter capital, all other simple. That name first letter capital, all other names and characters are simple. Here you can see Jim Brown, J capital. Here Duke White, also J capital, all other simple. We remove that built-in size pipe there, and then we can display everything in the student list. Here you see John Doe, J capital, all other simple.